It is the first day that I'm going to the beach this year, and I am gonna bring you guys with me. It's gonna be a great time. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and continue to let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, because I am all ears for new ideas.
We're going on a bridge.
That sounded like you yourself. That sounded like booty flakes came out with it.
Booty flakes.
Booty juice.
That's what they call horse tranquilizer at the hospital. They're like, girl, you gotta calm down. You gotta get the booty juice. And they're like, yo, she just got the booty juice.
What if a train comes and just whack? So we made it. We're at the Stone Pony. And it's cold out. Came to the beach, we came to Asbury Park, but it's cold, very cold, we're shivering, so we lasted longer than we thought. Oh, that feels, oh my god, that's so warm. I love that. Put my feet under your... Oh my god, that's so nice.